got the thumbs up. So, hey guys, it's Karen and Mary, the sisters, again with another Bauer auction walkthrough video of an upcoming sale. This sale ends this Thursday and is called the Toy
Coins advertising signs.
This is not your ladies sale, but it has a lot of guy stuff in it just in time for Christmas because pickup is on Friday. So anything you buy in this auction, you could pick up on Friday for your man and start him a man cave /
Normally there's a day in between the auction closing and pickup. This auction is not. This auction closes Thursday night. Pickup is next day, Friday of this week.
Get out of here. I need the crafting space.
Yeah. So this is all going to be a lot of beer advertising.
It is for a man cave, but guys are so hard to buy for. So if you're a man watching this, tell your woman to get on here and buy you something.
Karen, underneath is a lot of extra
tractors. I see tractors on my side.
Oh, I see beer signs on my signs. I'll come around to your sign or your side. So yeah, a lot of just older
look how cute
signs.
These are. They're little salt and pepper
the little
shakers.
Beer bottles.
Budweiser. They got the original box. Yeah.
Posters, mirrors.
But then there's farm stuff too.
Underneath
Marbles.
is more beer signs.
I don't even know what some of this
So I guess if you have a bar or, I mean, like you said, these are for those, what
kegs? Are they for kegs?
Yeah, they're called something.
I've never drank out of a keg.
Marbles. You got more metal signs. Yeah, we're not going to be very good.
It's like crafty stuff. I'll be like, oh, look at that. I'm thinking.
So we're just going to show you. You can go to the website and look at the still pictures.
Right. And if this is your first video and you've not registered with Bauer Auction to do online shopping, online bidding, it is super easy. You can sit in the comfort of your own house and bid. You pick up wherever the location is, and all of that is always told ahead of time. If you don't live around here and you're like, wow, I would really like some of that stuff, but I'm not going to drive to Mattoon, Illinois for a pickup, they do shipping, and most items do ship, and so all those details are on the website.
Not for sure what those are.
I think they go to I was thinking
beer tap things. I don't know what those are called. We're going to have to Google that. Little tractor parts, wheels, more signs. Here is
this is every boy's dream.
Tractors down there. Okay, we're coming. Just gonna go
to like a lantern.
Lots of just beer signs, tractors that are maybe missing some parts to them, it looks like.
Well, like they've been really played with, which is what they're meant to do. Like this.
There's more.
Yes, Jax would love.
Lots of jars of marbles. Little kids and play jacks. Which ones did you want me to show?
Well, I would like to.
All the.
They're like working tools.
Those are cute. And a little sandbox, dirt outside for a little boy.
For a Christmas present at an auction, you can get a kid. If you go buy one of those, how much is that versus the whole box? And they're going to be just as dirty.
Lots of great signs and mirrors. So like Karen was saying, if your husband has like a man cave, is into certain types of beers, there's like all types of beer. I don't know what to say.
This is like
Hank wanted us to do a video on this sale, so we're going to try to do our best, but we're just going to show you. Just keep walking.
We just don't have a lot to say about. I don't want any of this, but I'm sure there's people who do.
Look at all the toy tractors. All down there, too.
This you can tell was somebody's collection. Like,
I don't know if this was like a multi-estate or, I mean, somebody that had a bar, surely.
You'd have to have a lot of wall space to hang all this up.
Yeah.
But
some
like
of
you
it,
said, people who are like really loyal to one brand.
Yeah.
And it's probably stuff they don't make anymore. Like, who doesn't need...
What are you saying? Oh, are those, is that, what are those drinks called?
Bloody
that
Marys?
has all the foods in them.
I
Yeah.
don't even know that. I've seen,
Those that have bacon in it. Those are kind of fun. I'm assuming you don't want anything from this sale. There will be no competition from Karen on this sale.
I don't see a lot of crafting potential.
No. Oh, look at that big stone.
Ideas if you really did have like a farmer or like the man cave thing. Here's ornaments for Harley Davidson. That's a man thing.
Those are fun.
So yeah, it's all by lot on the auction. if you're new to the whole selling or buying online, it's not scary. I can do it, and I'm not a computer or techie person. I like to sit in my pajamas on the couch, and you place your bid. You can walk away. You can watch it closing night and add to it. If you bid like, oh, I want to leave a $15 bid on that, and it only brings $6, they don't automatically charge you the highest. You have to be bidding. So even though I put in 15.
Somebody would have to bid against you to get up to
otherwise
15.
you only get that. You get it for the price it goes.
More tractors. Is that selling?
Some people don't understand.
Yeah.
That when they
Little picnic table. And then there's another set.
That's a
Little
hitty thing.
blow up. More tractors. So lots of tractors in this auction, as well as.
Yeah, it's a man sale.
What do you think those are?
They're a thingamabob holder. I have no idea. Do you think those hold those tap things for display? You think this is a custom built display for something?
I don't know. Find a tap
It's
thing
number 809.
and put on
And
there.
still, we need somebody to call and tell us what those are.
More tractors, light up signs, mirror
If
signs.
I'm right, you owe me lunch. It is.
Are they screwing on there?
Yeah. Apparently, like these must. What a good. Somebody put a lot of work into
Yeah.
building this. If you had somebody that collected these taps.
That's a great display for it. You are so smart, sister.
I'm smart. I know stuff. It's crafty. That's why I know.
You got two of them.
Those are glass.
Two different displays. Metal tin signs. There's a little tractor seat. Lamps. More over here. And then you have, is that the Ducks Unlimited?
Looks like
Pictures. Lots of tractors. I think this auction has coins, Karen, but they don't leave the coins out, so we're not going to look at those. But there's
They
nothing.
do really good pictures of coins.
Yeah,
so.
the coins are all close up, so.
Once you've seen one coin, you've seen them all.
Sure. There's a big Budweiser.
So when's all that stuff selling that's over there that we can't show in the video?
I don't know. I don't think it's been cataloged yet. So,
So the point is, if you sign up with it too, I always get an email when they list a new sale. It'll say, oh, check out this sale that was just posted. So if you want to know about upcoming sales, because it's not just man stuff and old antiques. They sell brand new, like, look at that nice furniture. Just give them a glimpse of that. It's not in the sale, so don't like it too much yet. But they sell household stuff. They sell toys. They sell craft supplies.
okay.
This is a humongous.
Do what? Oh, is that a light up one?
I'm just saying, what makes this worth anything?
What is it?
I would be like, ooh, somebody broke it. Obviously.
Well,
they know
people that repair
Yeah,
tractors
they
and
know.
just needs the hood on it.
Look
I
at
don't
you.
know.
You sound like you're. Oh yeah.
A hood.
You would
Well,
just need
it's
that
a hood. Big Bud Light, light up sign. So more stuff. There's a
That's what I
dartboard.
bet you anything this person did, because you look, there's more parts. Like they must have taken and put them
Refinished, yeah. The toy tractors. Yeah, because those are brand new parts that are
these
sealed
are
in
missing-
plastic.
These are missing some bottoms.
And there's wheels down there.
That's a fun hobby. There's more of those now that we know how to display them. That's more meaningful. Wonder if you would get those like at the bar, like the company would give you this when you serve their drink.
I couldn't tell
None
you
of
last
that
time I've
sounds
been
very
into
good.
a bar to look.
Well, apparently you can get set up for your own.
That's right. Samuel Adams advertising.
Those are fun too. I don't even know.
Oh, look at the cash register. Now that's kind of unique.
That is.
That must have come out of a old.
It's lot number 1. It's the first number. Wow.
That's pretty cool looking.
That is cool.
Oh, wow.
That's like really cool. Wouldn't that be a fun thing to refinish?
Mm-hmm.
I don't know how to.
And to have in your store. You're just
Yeah.
gonna.
Well, people need to see that that's cool like that.
That is very cool. All right, so this sale goes off this Thursday starting at 7. Pickup is Friday.
Do not wait until the sale closes to be a registered bidder. Don't wait and think, oh, well, I'll look and see what stuff brings, because it takes a little bit of time to register with HiBid. But once you've done that, you set up your password, you've done all the details for that, You don't have to do that through each sale. You just log in and you register for each individual sale that you want to be a bidder on. If you just want to look, you don't have to register. You can go through and look at the catalog and see what everything is listed at. But it's exciting. It's fun. If you haven't tried online auctions, it really is not scary at all. It's not scary to me, so it shouldn't be scary to you.
This is the tractor signs. We're not really for sure. It's this Thursday, what they called it. It's a little bit of hodgepodge of everything. It's the beer advertising signs. They have coins and lots of tractor parts. So check that out online for more information and all the details. Hope you enjoyed the video.